ever heard of MBA? That fancy wallet-filling degree that is promising to cram your brain with all the business things you would ever need. Yeah, me neither. Well, let's just say it often leaves your wallet considerably lighter. In today's digital age, where the era of self-education is flourishing, learning from hands-on experience proves to be valuable rather than just listening to some retired expert. So wait, because I got something better for you. Personal MBA by Josh Kaufman. He put this thing together after years of learning, reading and experience in field. So it's like a treasure map to the business world. And guess what? I'm starting a series to unpack the coolest, quirkiest parts of this business world inspired by Josh Kaufman, or his book basically, yeah. All that being said, let's dive into it. The importance of strong foundation. Just like building a house needs a solid foundation, building a successful business requires strong fundamentals. And that's basically what we will be trying to target in this episode. These fundamentals support growth and ensure stability, so we later on can rely on them more, as we will have to deal with different challenges. Defining your vision and mission. In order for us to strive for perfection, we need to have a clear vision in our mind. What exactly is what we are doing and where exactly are we heading? It's sort of like a compass that will help us guide our decisions and actions. Let's take a McDonald's or Starbucks as an example. Both of these big companies had a vision to sell the products to as many customers as possible and to make them happy or something like that. I searched for the mission and vision statement of McDonald's. So McDonald's mission statement is to be our customers' favorite place and way to eat and drink. And their vision statement is to move with velocity to drive profitable growth and become an even better McDonald's, serving more customers delicious food each day around the world. Not exactly the healthiest options out there, but we are here to understand the point. Understanding your market. To be the number one in game, you must know your market from inside out. Understand the audience, competitors and trends in your market. So grow in your knowledge and your information. You will be able to make much more thought out decisions about how to tailor the offers for different customers. Crafting a value proposition. The remaining question is, what exactly sets you apart from your competitors? Are you just trying to replicate something that someone already did? Or are you trying to come up with something irresistible, something unique that will be specific for your personal brand? That's a question you need to think about, because it's important to come up with something your customers won't be able to resist. Connections, connections, and connections. Every successful business ends up often relying on your connections, on your relationships. Either it's a relationship with your customers, so you listen what they're saying to you and basically do the adjustments to fix, some problems you might have with your website or with some delivering, packaging problem, whatever. All that stuff. You need to listen to your customers to bring the best possible value you can. So that's very important. Also, it's important to nurture connections with partners, because this can open doors to different possibilities later on. Basically, listen to people around you. Effective financial management. Well, every business needs some kind of financial management. Everyone needs to take care of their bills and pay everything on time, and the taxes and whatever, everything. And if you came with a goal to make a stack of money, it's quite important to, keep track of everything. Where is your money going? What exactly are you buying with your money? How much money you're getting in? How much money is getting out? So you don't, end up spending more than you make. So in conclusion, if you came with a solid plan and understand the fundamentals, you are on the right track. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode of this series. If you found this video interesting, you might want to check my previous video about goal settings and achievements, which we talked about in this episode is also quite related to this topic. So check that out and I will see you there. Bye bye.